In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Dimension in AutoCAD. The Dimension tool allows you to add measurements to your drawing, making it easier to show the size and distance of objects. To begin, go to the Annotation panel under the Home tab and select Dimension. You can also type DIM in the command line and press Enter. Once the command is active, select the first point of the object you want to measure, then select the second point. Move your cursor to position the dimension line, then click to place it. AutoCAD will automatically create the measurement based on the points you selected. You can create different types of dimensions, such as linear dimensions for horizontal and vertical measurements, align dimensions for angled objects, and radius or diameter dimensions for circles. If you need to edit a dimension, simply select it and adjust its position, style, or size using the available options. Using dimensions correctly helps make your drawings clear and easier to understand. The process is simple. Start the Dimension command, select the points you want to measure, position the dimension line, and AutoCAD will add the measurement automatically. And that's how to use Dimension in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching the video.